Still focused only on summer products? As the late summer gives way to the next shopping cycle, customer needs begin to shift across work, home, travel, and everyday routines. Today, we're breaking down 5 dropshipping product categories worth testing now, who they're for, how to position them, and what kind of profit potential they offer. This is more than a product roundup. We'll also show you how to turn each idea into a stronger listing and a product you can actually test in your store. All of today's products were found on Doba, and most of them ship from US warehouses for faster domestic delivery. Let's get into it. The first product is this 3-pack snack box set. Don't sell it as just another lunchbox. Position it as an easy way to prepare several lunches at once. The clearest buyers are parents packing school lunches, office workers bringing meals from home, and people who meal prep regularly. Show all 3 boxes being filled in one session, then reveal 3 complete lunches ready to go. A hook like 3 lunches ready in one prep session makes the value clear immediately. The set costs $21.05 with free shipping and has a suggested retail price of $33.99, leaving around $12.94 in estimated gross profit per order. For shoppers who want more space and a sturdier material, the 2-piece stainless steel set offers another angle. It costs $10.80 and can retail for $26.99, leaving $16.19 in estimated gross profit before shipping. A supplier-provided demonstration video is also available in Doba's Video Hub, giving sellers ready-to-use footage for product listings or promotional content. Next is this multi-pocket backpack. With back-to-school season about a month away, it is well-timed for upcoming demand, but the listing should not make it look like just a basic school bag. Position it as one bag that keeps a full day of essentials organized. After adding it to your store, optimize the title with Doba's AI Listing Optimizer, then show how a laptop, books, water bottle, and lunchbox can all fit inside. The backpack also comes in several colors, giving sellers more options to offer customers and test which styles attract the most attention. You can source it for $15.40 with free shipping, at a suggested retail price of $23.40. The profit potential is around $8. For younger students, this embroidered rabbit backpack offers a more visual option. Focus on the character design, child-friendly size, and how it looks when worn. This one costs $17.89 and can retail for around $35.68, bringing the estimated gross profit to approximately $17.79. Another product worth considering is this 9-piece packing cube set. This type of organizer has been attracting attention on TikTok because the transformation is easy to understand in just a few seconds. Show a messy suitcase first, then reveal the same clothes, shoes, toiletries, and laundry neatly separated. That before and after effect communicates the value without requiring a long explanation. The product can also be positioned for college move-in, dorm organization, weekend trips, and everyday closet storage, allowing sellers to test several audiences with one listing. Right now, the sourcing price is down from $14.09 to $13.38. After adding $2.22 in shipping, a suggested retail price of $35.99 leaves around $20.39 in estimated gross profit. Next is this 3-in-1 tabletop art easel. It ships from a US warehouse, giving customers a faster and more predictable domestic delivery option. It also ranks number 32 among Doba's top-selling products, providing sellers with a clearer sales signal than a completely untested item. Rather than presenting it as only a drawing board, position it as one compact setup for 3 screen-free activities. It works for after-school activities, rainy days, quiet play at home, and gifting. A message like 3 ways to create all in one place explains the value quickly. You can source it for $28.05, while the suggested retail price is $39.59, leaving $11.54 in estimated gross profit before shipping. Pet care is also a hot topic right now, especially products that make feeding and hydration easier for busy owners. Two options to consider are this smart automatic feeder and cordless water fountain. Both help simplify everyday pet care for owners who work long hours or spend time away from home. The automatic feeder releases food on schedule. It costs $62.18 with free shipping and can retail for $118.14, leaving around $55.96 in estimated gross profit. The cordless water fountain offers more placement freedom without relying on a nearby outlet. Similar products have already recorded over 1,000 sales and hundreds of reviews on TikTok Shop, showing clear shopper interest. At a cost of $42.39 plus $2.22 in shipping, it can retail for $90.99, leaving approximately $46.38 in estimated gross profit. For outdoor dogs, this step-on fountain is another strong option and one of Doba's more popular pet products. The dog presses the pedal and fresh water comes out immediately, a clear visual hook for pet content. When we open the product page, we can see that 601 units are currently in stock. That gives sellers more confidence that initial orders can be fulfilled without immediate stock shortages that could lead to delivery delays or negative reviews. The sourcing price is $33.46 with $2.22 in shipping. At a suggested retail price of $85.49, the estimated gross profit is approximately $49.81 per sale. Finding a product worth selling is only the first step. You still need to compare suppliers, review pricing and shipping information, and decide whether the product fits your store. Doba brings more of that process together in one place. You can explore products, review supplier details, and add selected items to your store without repeatedly switching between multiple platforms. All of today's product links are included below, so you can take a closer look and begin testing the options that best match your audience. Try Doba with a $0.99 trial offer. It is a simple way to explore the platform, compare products, and see how the workflow fits your business before committing to a bundle. Take this opportunity to prepare early and see which products could work for your store. Subscribe for more dropshipping ideas and let us know in the comments which product you would test first. Thanks for watching and see you next time.